Look, I represent that green flag, 5-star with that moon. If it's up to me, I get it done in a hurry. I like taking risky shots, but don't you worry, cause I got that shot like I'm Curry. Even though that most of the time my vision kinda blurry, it's like my luck's maxed out. And it's sad that they didn't wanna believe me and gave me all this doubt, when all I did was shout that I'm gon' shine. It's just a matter of time, but in the meantime, I'm smoking shit that got me high up in cloud 9. Aiming to be the greatest like Jordan in his prime time. Don't need no friends, I'm fine alone. I can do this by my lonely on my own. I can't trust nobody, not one soul. Now look, I only got this one goal. On a mission, wishing I could complete it with no issues. So stop all that hate and give me a break like a Kit Kat. I'm with a baddie, constantly switching positions, letting me hit that from all type of angles. And I swear she's an angel, cause she makes me feel like I'm in heaven. And I'm loving the way that her body's so curvy. Word, JD, ha.